Step into luxury and style with the 2017 Volkswagen Golf Highline 1.6tdi D7F 115HP 3-door. This sleek estate vehicle is in pristine white with a powerful 1.6-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Packed with comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags and parking assistance, this Golf Highline is the perfect blend of functionality and sophistication. With security features like centralised locking and anti-collision system, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a top-of-the-line vehicle with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and expert servicing. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today to find out more.